Good morning, family. So, allow me to reintroduce myself. Here on YouTube, I am called by many names. One is Lady 511, or some just call me Lady Linda, or just tnog. But I've been around YouTube for a long time. I have another channel where I started back in 2012. Now this one I started around 2014. Yeah, but I have been a part of YouTube for a little while, just a little while. So this is many of the leaves that is at the bottom of the plant. They were laying on the soil. Many of them were broken, but that's okay because I will put them in the super juice or bury them back here in the soil. And here is another golden beauty cabbage. Yeah. And yo, this is unbelievable, but look at this. Y'all see my sky? Come on, guy. Give me that rain. Give me that rain. So here's a lot of weeds in here. Just knowing the difference between the weeds and the green onions. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Green onion. So let me get this cabbage up. So the question was, tnog, are you a master gardener? No, I am not a master gardener. No, but I do think that many of us here that have went back to school and received their master's certificate of gardening, I think it is amazing. It is amazing, family, because we will pay for what we don't know. One way or the other, you will pay for what you don't know, right? So for those that have master's degrees, a master gardener certificate, I think it's amazing that you all went back and got that knowledge, because baby, knowledge is all that power. Oh yeah. So y'all, I saw something. Look at this. Do y'all see that? Let me get close to her. Do y'all see that? That is a harlequin beetle. Do you see that V on her back? That tells you who she is. No, this is not a big ladybug. This is a problem. All right. So here is my harvest of greens. So it's mustard greens, and I have two of those yellow beauty cabbages. I'll show you what they are, what they look like. So I have been growing food for many years. It started off with, of course, me growing vegetables and in the garden as a child. My grandmother took my hand, and she was persistent in me knowing how to grow food. And before my grandmother left here, I let her know how much I thank her for just making me be in that garden. Yeah. So here on my channel, this is what I like to do. I would like to share with you what I know about this garden. So I think this is a broccoli. It's a broccoli. Seriously, it's no big deal that I need to know, because really, at the end of the day, she will show us who she is. Okay, so never sweat about you didn't label. She will show you who she is, okay? But this is what has happened here. So we got a lot of insect damage. And so this is what I do with those leaves. So I have one leaf here that's been eaten, and this one. This one here, but I think I tore it more than anything. So that's that. So what I'm going to do is, now I drop seeds here, and if you could see here, you see they coming up. So I'm going to get close to this plant. I'm going to go all around here and get really close to this plant and deep. And then I'm going to roll it up, because what you want to do is make sure that it's all the way covered. You don't want to leave any of the leaves exposed, because then that will attract bad bugs. And now we just cover it up. And now the leaves that was eaten by the bugs will now feed the plant. Yeah. So this is a piece of lemongrass I put in here from the main bush, and it's doing well. Let's see if I can take this bag. Yeah, there we go. So it's doing really good, really good. And this is my pepper plant over here. And oh my, look at that. They're doing really good. I've harvested many peppers from it, so they're good. They're good. All right. So I'm going to get some of the leaves off of this one, and I'm going to get that leaf. And then we're done. I'm going to bring all of my harvest in. I'm going to clean it with some baking soda and vinegar. I'm going to chop it up. Y'all hear that? Yes, Lord. I'm going to chop it up. I'm going to put some of it in freezer bags. I'm going to cook it probably by Thursday. I'm going to cook the greens, some fried chicken wings. I'm going to cook it with some turkey wings and cornbread. Let's go. Ha ha. So this is tatsoi. So definitely take off these bad leaves. Get out of there, you will. Now, I did see that that Harlequin beetle. I did see her. I just need to look around and see, is there any eggs anywhere? So I thought I had three. Oh, I do. I have 3 plants of tatsoi. So I'm gonna plant this one over here, because tatsoi, they grow mostly wide. They do get a little high. They get very wide. So they need space. So I'm gonna give them a little space here. But I do have seeds dropped over here, right? Now these leaves that I've taken off, I'm just going to stick them back in the soil. That's all. So everything is not wasted. Now we got one more tatsoi. So where I'm gonna put her? So I'm gonna put her right here. I'm gonna put her right here. There we go. Cool. All right. Let me get my harvest and get it inside, and hopefully the rain shows up. Let's go. All right, so I have my greens inside, and now I have some vinegar and baking soda, filled up my sink, and yeah, let's get to picking these greens. Yeah, look at these greens. They are just so big, so beautiful. Now, I don't use any sprays except I would use the oils that I make if I need it, if I had an infestation. But other than that, I don't use any sprays in my garden. And the only thing that had been protecting these greens is onion, garlic, leeks, and lemongrass. Those are the vegetables I put with these greens. I dropped these seeds in August. Of course, very hot, very humid, right? But as you can see, they still did their thing, right? So now, I am not trying to deter anyone from gardening in any way. Basically, I'm just sharing with you what I do. And the reason I garden the way I do with just, those herbs, and I don't use any sprays, and it doesn't matter that it says it's organic and all that stuff. It doesn't matter to me. I don't want it in my food, period. And the reason why I know it will work for me and I can continuously do it, it is because I've done it for so many years. I've been doing this for so many years right here in the same area. So I know what I can and cannot do in my garden, right? And that's the reason. So it's not necessarily what you may do, but I'm just sharing what I do. That's it. All right. In the refrigerator it goes. Yeah. So it is Tuesday night after the live. So this is some peppers I harvest. I still have more in here. This is some onions that I grew. And now I'm going to chop these all up and put them in a freezer bag. Here's some more bell peppers here. This is some green onions. So I'm gonna chop everything up. That's going in the super juice. And I'm gonna mix it up and I'm gonna put it in freezer bags. I'm going to have half of the bags will go for me in my house, and the other half will go for Jody in her house. So hang in there. I'll be back when it's all chopped up. All right. All right, there we go. I have four bags, and in each bag is green onions, white onions, red and green and yellow bell peppers. So 2 will be for me, and 2 will be for Jody. And these are just some I have. We'll use them as we need them. And of course, that's my snack, y'all. That's my snack. And this is going out to the super juice. Yeah. Also, this is some onions I have left over. Some of them are soft because, this is my harvest. Oh, wow, I forgot these. I have 3 of them over here. So I'm going to clean these up and put them in a bag. But anyway, that's what I'm doing. Now I'm going to make me something to eat because I'm hungry. I'm hungry.